These are 5 Quest 2 secrets I bet you didn't know. You can actually create an avatar. I don't know why you would want to do this, but to do it, you just click on your profile icon at the bottom and press create avatar. What is wrong with me?
Dude, they have everything but me in here.
You can look as ridiculous as you want, or lie to people and make them think that you're actually attractive when in real life you are really not, and just have fun and go to town with this.
Guys, this is so boring, I don't recommend. I'm not saving.
If you're absolutely lazy and don't feel like picking up your Quest to download some games, then you can actually do it on your phone. But for some reason, if you don't want to pick up your headset and download games, then there's probably something seriously wrong with you, and I would get that checked out. You can actually purchase and download games from your phone to your headset. Just pick up your phone, open up the app, go to a game you'd want, and buy that, and it will download onto your headset. If you can't follow these simple instructions, then I don't know what to tell you. Oh, I have one secret for us people who love to exercise, which there aren't many of us out there. You can track your fitness with something called Oculus Move, and I'm gonna be honest, it's probably one of the most useless features that I have ever seen on the Quest.
Guys, this is the worst setting. I couldn't even find it. I had to search it up.
It's probably for adults out there who want to exercise, but if you want to do that, just go to a gym. You can link it to your Apple Health and you can keep track of how many calories you lost, all this and all that. I promise you nobody cares, Facebook, and let's move on.
This is so boring. I hope I never have to go through this again.
This is a useful one for you people who are feeling like an idiot. If you want to connect a controller to your Quest, you are able to do that. I don't know why we moved on from flat screen gaming to VR just to use the same controllers, but it's possible. And you just go to settings, experimental, and then Bluetooth, and then put your controller in pairing mode, connect the two, and have a great time looking silly playing VR with an Xbox controller. By the way, I'm not even sure if the instructions were even right, but I know there are Bluetooth settings somewhere. Unless you're playing Assetto Corsa, it is not valid to use controllers in VR. For the people out there who like dark mode, who also don't exist, there is a way to turn it on. Just go to settings, display, and then change the mode of the Quest menus, either light or dark mode. However, if you have common sense, you just want to skip out on this and stay in dark mode. Light mode is just turning the sun on at your eyes. The people who use light mode deserve to go to an insane asylum. Guys, we have been blessed. The setting has been removed completely. I am so happy. You guys do not understand. It is gone completely. No one ever has to use light mode. Thank you. By the way, you can also change your home environment to a Minecraft theme, which is pretty cool. If you guys enjoyed this video, here's another one about Quest 2 secretly removed features that I bet you didn't know.